After being over to plant flowers, it took half of day to strengthen it up against the wall. These 4/8 and 3/5 regular races allow you to stand and tend your little forest. 3-feet scientific high design. Even a new mom can water the plants with one hand holding the baby. No need to kneel on the balcony tiles anymore. Office worker can trim the flowers against the operation table after work, just as relaxed and leaning against the coffee bar. A 3-high garden allows you to plant deep-rooted crops such as tomatoes, pumpkins, escape, with peace of mind without about limited roof development space. No professional tools needed, just a few easy steps, and you are all set. Get yours now and turn ordinary vegetable gardening into a premium horticultural experience. Click the link below to give your garden a fresh new look.